everybody, welcome to my farm. So my name is Andy and I'll be showing you what we do as farmers during this worldwide outbreak of COVID-19 or coronavirus. So you may be thinking while you're at home, well, farmers don't have to work. If you are, well, farmers do have to work. My dad, he stays at home and he works hard all day long. So here we are at the show barn, and I'm going to be showing you the animals that we have here. Come on, let's go. So over here, I'm going to show you our bottle caps. So right here we have Pandora, and she is a Jersey. And another thing, all of our animals here are dairy. There's two kinds of animals you can, or of cows you can have, beef and dairy. We have dairy. They're mainly used for their milk production to make cheese. Beef, well, we get them for our meat. So Pandora is a Jersey, and you'll see a bunch of different colors because they're a bunch of different breeds. She's so cute. And then what both of them eat during the day when they don't drink their milk is this, and it's called calf starter. And it's like a baby food, so it has like pellets and corn. And then they also have fresh water. This is Diamond, and she has like this really pretty red color. And she has the same calf starter and fresh water. And they also get fresh bedding, so then we know if they're sick or not. So now, next we have some more cows, but they're called heifers because they're older. So this is Bismarck, and she's a brown Swiss. And my favorite breed is brown Swiss because, as you can see, I have brown Swiss on my sleeve. Here are a couple more of the animals we have in the show barn, and these two are Holsteins. And so the stuff by their pen is called hay, and that's what they eat when they aren't eating their grain. And their grain is this, and it is higher than protein than the calf starter, and it has like pellets and corn, a bunch of interesting things. Here we have some heifers that we custom raised for another farmer, and but we have to feed them. So we keep them here, and they are my dad and some hired job. So they have to feed them, they have to scrape their barns, and the sand right there is used for their bed or their free stuff. So the food they get is a silage, and it looks like this, and it has like hay and a bunch of stuff, and it's mixed in a feed mixer, so then they get plenty of everything. It's kind of like a casserole, so then it's all in one bite. They get everything. So when it's time for our animals to get bred from the show barn, we usually take them out here so they can get bred. So now let's go see the older heifers in our second barn. So these are the heifers that are already bred. They're pregnant. They are going to have babies soon, and then when they are about to have their baby, they go back to the farm, and then they get milked there, and they start getting milked after they have their baby. So, and then you might be wondering, how do we breed them? Well, we don't use bulls because bulls, they are dangerous. They can kill people. And so we use semen, and we use something called artificial insemination. And so we also have some of our heifers up here, but their food is a bit different than the other ones.
You don't have to get that close.
So it's also a silage, but it looks more of like a traditional silage than the other one. That one, it looks more of a haylage, which has hay in it. I hope you enjoyed our virtual farm tour of our farm, Posey Creek Farms. And so I hope you understand that farmers work hard every single day. We even have to work on Christmas. And so just so you can have food, going to the grocery store so then you can buy it. So I hope you stay safe. I hope you wash your hands so then you can avoid getting COVID-19. And I'll see you next time. Bye!